into today's video. Well guys, we're gonna get straight into today's video because I have my Nadine West for the month of July. I've already opened it, got everything ready to show you guys. But for those of you who don't know what Nadine West is an online styling service. You go online, you'll fill out a style profile. For $9.78, you get a baggie of goodies sent to your house. You get to try everything on in the comfort of your own home. You only pay for what you keep and you send back the rest. And you put everything back in this baggie right here, and it has a little tab right here that you pull off. I don't want to pull it off. And then it seals right back up, and she gives you a return mailer, and you just put that on there, put everything you don't want in here, and that's it, and send it back. Now, anything you do keep in here, your $9.78 gets subtracted off the total. But if you decide to keep nothing, you lose your $9.78. But basically, there's always something in the bag. There's usually a piece of jewelry or something that you can buy for $9.78. So there's usually not a loss on the styling fee. Now, I've had great bags and I've had bad bags. But yeah, Nadine West is definitely a hit or miss bag. But with that said, let's go ahead and start with this month's bag. And I've already got all the jewelry pieces on to save some time. And we're gonna get straight into this. Now, the first thing I'm gonna show you are these earrings, which I'm definitely gonna keep. They're very lightweight and I really love them. And they're called Tracy, and they are only $17.99. And I thought they were just so pretty. I will take a picture and try to insert a clip up close of them. I love the design on them. I love just your basic hoop. They're very casual, can wear them with any outfit, and super lightweight, which is super important to me. And I think they're just lovely and pretty and will have a lot of practical use. Now let's talk about all the jewelry pieces, guys. Come on. First off, before I even get into the prices on any of this, all three of these necklaces are absolutely gorgeous. I really, truly love them. But here, let's go ahead. Let's talk about the price on these things because I'm not keeping them, guys. Even though all three pieces are lovely, the prices are just, she's getting really crazy on her necklaces. Okay, this first necklace that I have on, the short one right here, is $40.49. It's cute, it's delicate, it's pretty. I think it goes great with all three of these necklaces, or the other two necklaces too. But $40.49, and it's just a basic little chain. It's a lovely little delicate chain, I'll give it that. But $40.49, no. Okay, and then the second one with this little stone right here, which I think is also so pretty. I am not hating on the jewelry, just the price. And this one is $26.99. And then this last one, the leaf one, oh, this is probably one of my favorites. And this is $31.49. So let's see, off the top of my head, the 27, 40, and 32. I don't know what that comes to. I will put it at the bottom of the screen. Okay, so for all three necklaces, that would be close to $100. Yeah. Pretty, but there is no way. What is going on with Nadine West? Oh man, I mean, she's getting, it's lovely jewelry, but $100, come on. This is all going back, and all the jewelry comes in these nice little pink bags, and all three of these necklaces are going back in this pink little bag. Yeah, but cute, but way too much money. Okay, so let's talk about the next item out, and we're gonna talk about this infinity scarf. Now this infinity scarf is only $9.79, which is the price of the bag. So if I only keep this, this will be completely free. And with the coloring, with the black and white coloring, I mean, I would definitely get some use out of this. It is July, but hey, I could definitely get some use out of this when it starts getting cold. And this material, I don't know what it is. I'm gonna look in here and see if it has a label. It is 100% polyester, but it's really, really, really super soft. Let me put it on for you guys. Okay, now this is just lovely. I got a very sensitive neck, and if anything is scratchy at all, I would start screaming, but this is very soft. It's very lovely against the neck. Yeah, I would probably think about keeping this because it would be free, but I already know I'm keeping these earrings, so I'm not going to pay $9.79 right now for an infinity scarf when it's July. I don't need an infinity scarf right now. Okay, I went ahead and took all that jewelry off, and we're going to start with the first item out of the bag, and that is this cardigan. And this cardigan is called Anja Kelly Green for $31.49. Now this is definitely a Kelly green cardigan. I truly hope this is showing up on the camera as green as it is. You will see me trying it on the side, but it's a very thin cardigan. It is not a heavy cardigan. It would be great going into fall. And I could also see this like at St. Patty's Day. This would be awesome cardigan on St. Patty's Day. And it's 57% polyester, 38% rayon, 9% spandex. And it just has that nice heavy weight that drapes very nicely. And you can see in the front right here, it has this ribbing going down the front. It has 2 pockets on the side. It's a nice long length, but not super long, but not short either. So I think it's really a lovely cardigan, and I will definitely have to think about this one. Let me know in the comment section what you think about it when you see it on me. Now the next item out is this, and these are some turquoise. Is this turquoise? Is this what they're calling? Yes. These are Holly CAPRI'S in the color turquoise for $26.99. Now I love this color, but I'm not so sure about this color on the bottom. This color in a top or a jacket or a cardigan, yes, all day long, but I don't know about in pants. It looks like it's going to be very form-fitting and very tight, so I have a feeling these are not going to be that flattering on. They do have 2 pockets in the back, and they're just simply pull-on style. They're fairly short, so you could wear some cute little sandals with them. Like I said, I don't know. It's probably going to be out of my comfort zone. I don't like going too light on the bottom, especially with a colored bottom like this. But I do love the color, just not on the bottom. Well, we'll see. You never know. Sometimes I change my mind. Okay, now the next item out is this beautiful blue top that, oh, I love this color. And this top is called Tilly's, and this is $26.99. And oh, I just love these sleeves, guys. Like, how awesome is that in the summertime when you want your arms covered up but you don't want to be real hot? And they are super stretchy. It's not that stiff lace at all. It has a lot of stretch in it. And to me, it looks like it's going to be a nice length. Like, it comes down, it's definitely looking like it's going to cover the bum area. So it would be great with some leggings or some capris, or maybe even like if I tied it up, maybe a denim skirt or something. So I don't know what this looks like yet, guys, but this looks promising out of the bag. I like this style, so we will definitely see. I like the lace sleeve, and I like the coloring, and I just like the softness, and I think it has some possibility. Okay, now this is definitely out of my normal something I like, but I held this up, and guys, I think I'm gonna like this one. This one has a big possibility for me too. And this is called Oh My Flora, and this is $26.54. Oh, guys, I'm not too much into casual. This looks like something you would wear like with some leggings to work out, but I really like it. I love, the thing that's really drawing me to this, couple things. It's this pattern right here. Looks very lovely, and I think it's gonna look good on me. And I like the front cutout detail right there. And then in the back, it has a cutout detail too. So, and it looks like it's a very nice long length. It looks like it's going to fit me under the arms beautifully. Let's see, putting a white denim jacket on, and maybe with a pair of jeans. I don't have to wear it with leggings, even though it does look like it's more athletic wear. I could put white pair, I could dress it any way I like it. There's no rule that it has to be athletic wear, right? Right? Yeah, you could wear this with jeans or a skirt or something. I don't know. I really like the way this is looking though, so we will see. Okay, now the next two, I don't know too much about. They're gonna be some joggers. These are black joggers with a gray stripe going down the side on both legs. As you can see, they are your traditional jogger style. And these ones right here are Sophie Lounge, and they are $26.99. Now, I'm not that big on joggers personally myself. I think they look like they're gonna fit me nice. They have the nice tie waist right here, but $26.99, most likely I'm not gonna keep them because I don't wear joggers that much. That's just my kind of thing. I think they look great, but I'm not a big jogger fan. I'm not a big legging fan, even though I will wear them, but I'm just personally not my style. And it's the same thing with these other joggers. I think they're gonna fit me nice. They look nice. And these are also $26.99. And these are by the company Evie. By the company Evie. They are solid navy joggers, nothing wrong with them. Awesome. They look like they might be a little long on me, but two pockets right here in the front. They feel nice, good material, I think, on both of these. But I will try them on for you, and you guys will see me trying them on. And unless they look fantastic and really make me change my mind, I don't see me keeping those. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and we are going to go ahead and do the wrap up here. As you guys know, the joggers are a no for me. I like them, they fit me well, no problems, no complaints. I'm just not gonna spend that much money on joggers. It's too hot right now, and they're just not personally what I'm drawn to. These turquoise leggings, I don't think they were flattering on me. I think on the right person, they would look adorable. I just don't think I'm that person. And then the cardigan, I really liked, but $32, I'm not gonna use it right now. We are in July, and it is hard to spend $32 on something for the future. So that's probably gonna get sent back, even though I think it's a nice cardigan. And I'm going to go ahead, and this is only $9.79, but I am not going to keep this scarf because I am keeping these earrings for sure. And the earrings were $17.99. So the earrings I'm definitely keeping. All those necklaces, all three of them necklaces, they going back. Now, here is where I need your help. So my two choices I'm going to think about keeping is this black shirt and this blue shirt. I really like both of these, but with my budget, I can't afford to keep both. So what would you keep if you were me? This is a hard decision. This is really hard. So yeah, I don't know what I'm going to do at this moment. I definitely can't wait to hear what your opinions are. I'm keeping the earrings, like I said, and keeping one of these shirts. Okay, so what did you think of my Nadine West overall? Did you like those necklaces? And are you like me and think she has lost her mind on the prices on those though? I mean, come on, $100 for 3 necklaces. I mean, unless this is real stuff, this is costume jewelry here, and there's no way it should be costing that much. I love her. I think I have fun with the subscription. It's cheap. I get to try different things on, but she needs to stay more on the cheap side. Well, I hope you guys have a lovely day, and I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.